The silence of electric shattered by the roar of AMG. 577 horsepower, plug-in precision. This is the world premiere of the 2027 GLE 53 Hybrid. The power revolution. The rules of performance have been rewritten. This isn't just a refresh, it's a technological takeover. For the first time, the GLE 53 transitions to a high-performance plug-in hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, the AMG enhanced 3-liter turbocharged inline-six joins forces with a 400-volt electric motor. The result? A staggering 577 combined horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. It's the kind of power that once belonged exclusively to the V8s, now delivered with the instant, surgical precision of electric torque. The design evolution. Witness the new face of AMG. The 2027 redesign introduces a more aggressive front fascia, featuring the signature Panamericana grille with an intricate new star pattern mesh. Flanking it are sharpened LED headlamps with a unique light signature that commands the fast lane. The profile remains athletic, punctuated by new hybrid-specific badging and massive AMG light alloy wheels. At the rear, the revised diffuser and quad exhaust tips serve as a reminder, even as a hybrid, the AMG soul remains loud and clear. This is sensual purity with an edge, aerodynamically optimized and draped in new manufacturer paint finishes. Digital performance. Step into the screen-tastic cockpit. The 2027 GLE 53 features a trio of 12.3-inch displays spanning the dashboard, powered by the latest MB.OS. From the digital cluster to the dedicated passenger screen, the interface is immersive, intuitive, and unmistakably AMG. Underneath the luxury lies hardware built for the track. The AMG Ride Control Plus air suspension has been completely recalibrated for the hybrid's unique weight distribution. Combined with fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the GLE 53 claws into the asphalt, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. It is a masterclass in balance, composed in the city, but ferocious on the limit. The new standard. Efficiency finally meets adrenaline. With its 31.2 kilowatt-hour battery, the GLE 53 offers a dedicated electric mode for silent, zero-emission cruising at speeds up to 87 miles per hour. And when it's time to recharge, the standard 60 kilowatt DC fast charger takes you from 10 to 80% in just 20 minutes. Whether you're utilizing the 7,700-pound towing capacity or carving through a mountain pass, the GLE 53 Hybrid adapts to your world. It is the most versatile AMG ever built, a 577 horsepower statement that the future of performance is here. The 2027 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid. Everything you want, nothing compromised.